let's talk about how words and networks, when you put them together, can literally change history. So, how can a few simple words actually start a war? Well, this book dives right into it. It all starts back in 1870 with what seemed like a totally normal, peaceful telegram. But then, a prime minister named Bismarck got his hands on it and saw a huge opportunity. He tweaked it just enough to spark outrage and ignite a massive war, just like that. Okay, so that's words. Now what about networks? Let's jump to 2003 with Saddam Hussein. US forces literally mapped out his entire network of connections, which led them right to him. These two stories set the stage for two big ideas: social network analysis and text mining. Social network analysis, or SNA, is all about revealing those hidden patterns that connect us. And text mining? That's how you find the gold hidden in tons of emails, reviews, and articles. So here's the big question. What happens when you combine the power of both of these? And that's exactly what this book does. It's a guide to integrating these two incredible worlds. A really cool innovation they talk about is something called the semantic brand score. And they use this approach to answer some really fascinating real-world questions, from AI to Airbnb. You know, this book isn't just for experts. It's written for anyone who's curious about this stuff. It really makes you wonder, in all the data out there, what hidden stories are you missing?